This strange, almost malevolent painting has acquired a rather misleading title. The landscape element does not immediately and unequivocally proclaim upon Avon provenance. A hillside declines to the bank of a river, on which the masts of two sailboats can be discerned, with a glimpse of the far bank, and just a little sky. And rather than the quaintly costumed Breton, all the actors in this enigmatic drama are male. Men whose caps, at least in 3 instances, suggest douaniers are gathered around mysterious fires that burn not far from the river's bank.
Through his artistic endeavors in Tahiti, Gauguin not only sought to capture the raw beauty of the island but also to delve into the deeper layers of human existence. He explored themes of spirituality, sensuality, and the interplay between the individual and the natural world. In doing so, Gauguin created a body of work that challenged the prevailing artistic norms of his time and left an indelible mark on the evolution of modern art.
Gauguin's interest in art was fostered by Arosa, who introduced him to the works of artists like Delacroix and Courbet. For a long time, Gauguin only remained a connoisseur and collector of other people's works, but in 1873, around the time he became a stockbroker, Gauguin began painting in his spare time. His guardian, Arosa, introduced Gauguin to artist Camille Pissarro about 1874, and Gauguin began to study under the supportive older painter, trying to master the techniques of painting and drawing.